So my adjacent side is basically, adjacent side is 5 centimeter divided by the hypotenuse basically, and the hypotenuse is basically 13. So 13, this is basically the ratio. इसको आप फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में भी रख सकते हैं, बट इफ़ यू डिवाइड इट, so when you divide the fraction you are supposed to get the answer in decimal, that is 0.384. So now you will be doing for sine and tangent by yourself. Sine के लिए we know that we are going to use the formula SOH, that is sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Tan is basically opposite upon adjacent. So this is the way you're going to find the ratios. Now I'll be taking you guys to the book, which is on page number, which is basically page number 285. I'll be doing some questions with you guys, and I hope it is clear to everybody. So let's continue. This is the question. It's on page number 285 if I'm not wrong. I'm going to do it from practice now number 2. एक क्वेश्चन समझाऊंगी, बाकी आप खुद करेंगे. So here we are having the question. In triangle PQR, PR is 4 centimeter. You guys remember what I was doing in the class, right? Fingers use करनी है. मैं अब अपना hand use करूँगी. PR is 4 centimeter. RQ is 3 centimeter. And PQ is 5 centimeter. Angle R. So angle R is basically 90 degree. We have to state the value of sin P, sin Q, cos P, cos Q, tan P and tan Q. अच्छा, यहाँ पे P का मतलब क्या है? sin P और sin Q में क्या फ़र्क है? sin P का मतलब है हमें sin निकालना है अकॉर्डिंग टू एंगल P, और यहाँ पे sin Q का मतलब क्या है? We have to calculate the sin according to angle Q. So I will be doing both of the sines. अभी आपसे मैंने बात कही थी, आई हैव टू शो यू गाइस कि क्यों हमें करेक्ट एंगल चूज़ करना है. अगर हम गलत एंगल चूज़ करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा. सो लेट अस डू साइन ऑफ पी. बिफोर आई स्टार्ट डूइंग इट आई हैव टू मेक अ कॉलम. सो का एंड टो. So if I want to calculate the sine, I have to use the first one, that is basically sine opposite over hypotenuse. So let me write in the formula over here. So sine of an angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. But I don't know which is my opposite, which is my hypotenuse, which is my adjacent in this triangle. So let me choose angle P here first, because I'm going to do with angle P. तो सबसे पहले मैं अपना angle P choose कर लेती हूँ. And my advice will be that कि जितने भी questions आपके पास पहले angle P से आ रहे हैं, so यहाँ पे देखो cos P है, you have tan P. So first do all of these things with angle P. फिर जब Q की बारी है तब Q से कीजिएगा. But I have to explain you guys the two questions, sin P and sin Q, so I'll be changing a bit here. So sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So here if I choose this angle P, then my opposite side will be the side just in front of it. मेरी opposite side वो side होगी जो बिल्कुल इस angle के सामने होगी. So that is this one. So this is my opposite side. Adjacent side मेरी वो side है जो बिल्कुल इस angle के साथ है, just hand in hand with this angle. So this is my adjacent side, and my hypotenuse is the side of the triangle which is just opposite to the right angle triangle, or the longest side of my right angle triangle. So here I know the three sides now. According to angle P, I am repeating this thing again and again for a purpose. ये किसके मुताबिक है? It is according to angle P. Now let me go forward. Now I'll put the values in the formula. So here I know that sine of angle P is equals to opposite side कौन सी मेरी? That is basically RQ or QR. So 5 centimeter, and if I divide it I will get an answer. You can keep your answers in up to this level, or you can change it into a decimal form by dividing it. So after dividing 3 upon 5 we are getting 0.6. So either you can calculate the answer in decimal form, or you can leave the answer in the fraction form. So this was how we are going to calculate the sine of p. Now what if I am going to calculate sine of q? अच्छा, अब मैं यही क्वेश्चन मैं इस साइड पे करूँगी. आई एम डूइंग इट दिस वे, बट आई एम गोइंग टू द डायग्राम हियर. सो let me just redo it. This was the answer to the first part. Now I'm going to redraw the diagram according to the part number 4, sine q. So when they're telling us sine q, so they're referring to which angle? They're referring to this angle, the angle here, the angle forming at the vertex q. So here we are going to consider angle q here. So if I consider this angle q, which will be my opposite, which will be my hypotenuse, which will be my adjacent. So the side opposite to or just in front of the angle q will be my opposite angle, opposite side. So this is my opposite side. The side just along with the angle q, जो बिल्कुल इसके साथ में, we call it the adjacent side. और वो साइड जो बिल्कुल मेरे राइट एंगल के ऑपोजिट हो, बिल्कुल उसके सामने हो, आई कॉल इट द हाइपोटेन्यूज. इट इज आल्सो द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड ऑफ द राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. अच्छा, आपने एक बात नोटिस की होगी कि जो डायग्राम को मैंने पहले ड्रॉ करके दिखाया था, कंसीडरिंग एंगल P and the diagram drawn it over here now, only two sides are changing. Opposite और adjacent sides सब change हो रही है. Hypotenuse is the same. It is not changing. So I hope it's clear to you. So I'll be using the same formula because I have to find the sine here, but this time I have to find the sine of angle Q. So sine of angle Q is equals to, so here opposite side is basically my RP. This time RP is my opposite side divided by my hypotenuse is basically how much? Is the same, that is basically PQ. So here RP is how much? RP is 4 centimeter, and basically my PQ is what? My PQ is 5 centimeter. So I hope it's clear to you. I can divide the answer further, or I can just say it, I can just keep it in the fraction form, which is equal to 0.8. अच्छा, one thing to highlight here कि यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो 3 सेंटीमीटर था और 5 सेंटीमीटर था. ऊपर नीचे सेंटीमीटर्स कट हो जाते हैं, तो इसका कोई भी यूनिट नहीं होता. मेरे याद रखिए